Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Sierra Vista Elementary School, home of the Rams in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District. I just got done sharing my heart for 3 separate student assemblies that were held right here in the cafeteria. The focus for today, my 3rd visit to their campus, was on positivity, right? That was the primary topic. The sub-theme was be your best self, and really just trying to do our best, try our hardest in every area of our lives and with everyone in our lives, and trying to keep a positive attitude too, which is not always easy to do, right? Days like today, the sun is shining outside here in Madera, another beautiful day with the weather, but sometimes when it's cloudy, yucky outside, the conditions aren't the best, storming, whatever it is, sometimes it's easier to be negative, right? And that's the same thing with what goes on in our hearts, that sometimes when we're going through storms, more or less, figuratively speaking, in our lives, some tough situations, difficult moments, it's very easy to kind of be defeated and kind of feel down and sometimes keep our head down like this. And so that's why I wear this shirt for this particular program. It says, keep your head up, and the words are upside down on purpose, right? So if you're looking down, again, feeling down, it's a reminder to always keep our head up, to always think positive no matter what. And again, it's not that easy to do. A lot of times we focus more on the negative than we do on the positive. That's just us as human beings. You know, we have that nature in us to just sometimes be very critical of ourselves and what people say about us. And, you know, we have these limiting beliefs or negative doubts, negative thoughts. But the whole goal is to replace those negative thoughts with something more positive, right? Whatever you tell your brain and your heart, it's going to believe. We don't want to tell it something negative. We want to step into more positive thinking, right? And being kind to our mind. And so through a series of heartfelt stories, some inspirational videos, the positive hip hop, the visual aid props, you know, that's what I really tried to reinforce with today's message. And the students really took it to heart, right? Because it's just an incredible feeling when you get to see that they start to understand, you know, the opposite of success is not failure, it's quitting or giving up, that we can always just keep trying and keep going until we get it, you know? And it's okay if maybe we don't understand something right away, or we're not as good as one of our classmates in a certain subject or a certain activity. We know that if we just try our hardest, give our greatest effort, that's really all that matters, right? That true excellence, it's not about being the best, it's just about doing your best, right? And if we can stick with that each and every day and keep trying to improve each and every day, you know, we're gonna start making this world a better place. That ties into also believing our self-worth, our own value, how powerful we are, the potential we have. So a concept I bring up in every assembly that's so important to me is that we're all true miracles, right? With the lines on our hands, I trace one of mine here, but all of us have with the lines on our hands the letter M, at least one on each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. That M stands for miracle, right? Upside down, it stands for worthy. It means we're all true miracles, worthy of love, right? To give it and receive it. And once we believe that, buy into it, now we can go start helping others. And so that's going to tie into the parent session, the family night for this evening, which is going to be on leadership, passion to purpose, right? That once we believe this, and once we figure out what we're good at, what we love to do, what makes us come alive, our passions, we can already at a young age start using our gifts, our talents, our abilities to go and help others. And that becomes our purpose, right? And to get the wheels turning, you know, for these youth, for these students, it's just imperative, right? Because they can make a difference. We can all make a difference, no matter how old we are. And to know that we have this opportunity each and every day to look for the people around us that really need our help, that's huge, right? And it's not just about what we're doing for ourselves, it's what are we doing for others, right? What are we doing to make this planet a better place? We think about people first and things second, making that a priority in our lives. Trying to be like the bowling balls, the people with character, sound values, a strong foundation, having the courage to stand up and do what's right, whether somebody's watching or not, right? And always remembering what we want to be remembered for, which is our legacy. And hopefully it's somebody that's a positive leader. And of course, we need a lot more positivity on this earth. So thanks for touching my heart. Beautiful day here at Sierra Vista. Can't wait for tonight as well. But it's so amazing, you know, to just see the heart element that was definitely apparent today. So keep shining your light, keep being those positive leaders for this world. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.